touchdown, baby. What you think?
That was cool. I've never done this.
All right, we landed. Day one, baby. Oh my gosh, Macy Grace's luggage weighs about 100 pounds. But we're here. Day one, Thursday. We landed. We're here. We're going to get in a lift, hopefully not crash, and get to our spot. So, yeah. Me and Macy Grace were settled at the Airbnb. We're about to go down here and watch this parade. So we checked out the little shopping centers over there. Oh, look at the Miata. Oh, that one's for you, William. But we here. We checking it out. Oh, snap, boys. They're revving up. You can hear them. We're going to try to get on the street and see them. But this is too cool. We're in California, dude.
Oh my gosh.
We're doing it. This feels so weird. We feel so awkward because we're in somewhere we have no idea where we're at. We're walking around here damn well knowing people know we're from not here. So, yeah. I actually had a lady tell me, "Where are you from? You sound country as hell." Base model, just the same. Wild. It's like one big mega car meet drift deal thing. It's crazy. This is awesome. Oh, okay. Get it, Bo. Yo. Look at it, dude. Let's see if they throw down in California. We found them. We thought they were going to the hotel, but they ended up where they pulled in here. They went in and stopped. So we made our way back around. Yeah, brother. BMX chilling. Got the BMX bike chilling with her. Time to find Macy Grace. Where's she at? There she is. I found her. Golly. Well, that was a short video, but we're rolling back to our spot. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to do another one tomorrow and then the next day. So,
Bye.
we found her. We'll see y'all later.